Have you spent hundreds on skincare but your skin is still oily, breaking out, covered in dark spots, or looking dull? What if I tell you there is one ingredient that can help reduce acne, fade hyperpigmentation, strengthen your skin barrier, minimize the appearance of pores, control oil, and even reduce signs of aging all at the same time? That ingredient is niacinamide, and by the end of this video you know exactly why dermatologists recommend it for almost every skin type and how to use it correctly to get the best result. If you only add one skincare ingredient to your routine this year, niacinamide should be at the top of your list. Unlike many other skincare ingredients that target just one problem, niacinamide works on multiple skin concerns at once. Whether you have oily skin, acne-prone skin, dry skin, sensitive skin, combination skin, or mature skin, chances are niacinamide can improve your skin. But before we talk about the benefits, let's understand what niacinamide actually is. What is niacinamide? Niacinamide is a form of vitamin B3, an essential nutrient your skin needs to stay healthy. Your skin naturally uses vitamin B3 to repair itself, maintain moisture, fight inflammation, and produce important fats called ceramides that keep your skin barrier strong. When applied through skincare products like serums, moisturizer, or toners, niacinamide gives your skin an extra boost, helping it perform these functions even better. One of the biggest reasons dermatologists love niacinamide is because it's incredibly gentle while still delivering impressive results. Now let's look at the benefits of using niacinamide on your skin. Benefit number 1, control excess oil production. If your face becomes shiny just a few hours after washing it, niacinamide may be exactly what you need. But that's actually one of the biggest skincare mistakes. When your skin becomes too dry, it often produces even more oil to compensate. Niacinamide helps to regulate how much oil your sebaceous gland produces instead of stripping your skin. This means less greasy skin, makeup lasts longer, reduce shine, fewer clogged pores. Over time, your skin becomes more balanced instead of constantly swinging between overly oily and overly dry skin. So if you have dry or oily skin, use niacinamide. It will control and regulate the oil on your skin to balance very well. Benefit number 2, help reduce acne. One of niacinamide's greatest strengths is its ability to calm inflammation. Most pimples become red, swollen, and painful because of inflammation. Niacinamide helps reduce this inflammation, allowing breakouts to heal faster. It also helps prevent clogged pores, support faster skin healing, reduces redness after pimples, helps minimize post-acne marks. While it may not replace prescription acne treatment, for severe acne, it's an excellent ingredient for mild to moderate breakouts and can be used alongside many acne treatments. So if you are suffering from acne, a lot of pimples, you try different products, they are not leaving your face, go and buy niacinamide and try it to see how it will work on your face. So niacinamide helps clear pimples and acne. Benefit number 3, fades dark spots and hyperpigmentation. If your acne disappears but leaves behind stubborn dark marks, niacinamide can help. Instead of bleaching your skin, niacinamide works by slowing the transfer of melanin, the pigment responsible for dark spots, from pigment producing cells to the surface of the skin. This gradually helps fade acne marks, sunspots, uneven skin tone, post-inflammatory hyperpigmentation. The key word here is gradually. That means you don't have to rush it, because many people quit after 2 weeks because they expect instant results. When you start a skincare routine is a process. Don't expect to see results immediately. It all takes time. Real improvement usually takes around 8 to 12 weeks of consistent use. Patience is essential. So if you have a lot of dark spots, acne marks, hyperpigmentation on your face that are not going away no matter what you try, try using niacinamide. Niacinamide is perfect. It will clear your dark spots, your hyperpigmentation, your acne marks. They will be all gone fast. Benefit number 4, strengthen the skin barrier. Think of your skin barrier as a brick wall. The skin cells are the bricks, the natural fat and the ceramides are the cement, holding everything together. When this barrier becomes damaged, your skin starts losing moisture and becomes more vulnerable to irritation. Signs of damaged skin barrier include dryness, tightness, burning, redness, flaking, increased sensitivity. Niacinamide helps increase the production of ceramides, making your skin barrier stronger and healthier. A strong barrier means healthier skin overall. Benefit number 5, keep skin hydrated. Yes, niacinamide keep your skin hydrated. Healthy skin isn't just about drinking water, it's about keeping water inside the skin. Because niacinamide strengthens the skin barrier, it reduces what is called the transdermal water loss, meaning less moisture escape from your skin. The result is skin that feels softer, smoother, more comfortable, better hydrated. Even people with oily skin need hydration, and niacinamide helps provide it without making skin greasy. Benefit number 6, minimize the appearance of large pores. Let's clear up a common myth. Niacinamide cannot physically shrink your pores. Pore size is mostly determined by genetics. However, pores often appear larger when they are filled with oil, dead skin cells, and debris. Since niacinamide helps regulate oil production and improves overall skin texture, pores look cleaner and appear smaller. This creates a smoother looking complexion. You see that your skin is glowing. Niacinamide is very important for your skin. Benefit number 7, reduces redness and skin irritation. If your skin becomes red easily or feels irritated after using skincare products, niacinamide may help calm it. Its anti-inflammatory properties make it useful for people dealing with sensitive skin, mild rosacea symptoms, irritation from active ingredients, redness after acne. That's one reason many dermatologists recommend it alongside stronger ingredients like retinol or exfoliating acids. Benefit number 8, help reduce fine lines and wrinkles. Are you aging? Use niacinamide to look younger than your age. As we age, our skin naturally produces less collagen and loses moisture. This leads to fine lines, wrinkles, sagging, rough texture. Niacinamide supports healthy collagen production and improves skin elasticity over time. Combined with its ability to keep skin hydrated, it helps soften the appearance of any signs of aging. No skincare ingredient can completely erase wrinkles, but niacinamide can definitely make skin look healthier and more youthful. Do you want to have that youthful glow? Use niacinamide. Benefit number 9, brighten dull skin. If your skin looks tired, lifeless or uneven, niacinamide can help restore brightness by improving hydration, reducing inflammation and fading pigmentation. It creates a more radiant complexion. Healthy skin naturally reflects light better. That glow people are always chasing usually comes from healthy skin, not oily skin. Use niacinamide. If your skin is dull, use niacinamide to brighten and glow up your skin. Benefit number 10, works well with most skincare ingredients. Another reason niacinamide is so popular is because it's very easy to incorporate into your routine. It pairs well with ingredients such as hyaluronic acid for hydration, ceramide for barrier repair, retinol for anti-aging, peptide for skin repair, salicylic acid for oily and acne-prone skin, azelaic acid for pigmentation and redness. Vitamin C in most modern formulations. Years ago, people believed niacinamide and vitamin C shouldn't be used together. Current research shows that this concern came from outdated laboratory conditions that don't reflect how modern skincare products are formulated. For most people, using both ingredients in the same routine is perfectly fine. Now, how to use niacinamide correctly? Yes, Apply niacinamide after cleansing and before moisturizing. If you are using a serum, apply it before your moisturizer. So if you have the serum that you want to use it, after cleansing your face, apply niacinamide, then the serum before moisturizer. So use it morning, night, or both. And remember, always finish your morning routine with sunscreen. Without sunscreen, dark spots will return, making it much harder to see the benefits of niacinamide. Now, a lot of people are asking, what percentage should you use? Many people think higher percentage automatically mean better result. That's not always true. Here is a simple guide. 2 to 5% niacinamide, great for beginners. Effective for hydration, strengthens the skin barrier. Suitable for sensitive skin. 5 to 10% niacinamide helps with oil control, hyperpigmentation, acne marks, overall skin improvement. 10% and above may work for some people but can increase the risk of irritation, especially for sensitive skin. For most people, a product containing 5% niacinamide is more than enough. So now, let's look at some common mistakes to avoid when using niacinamide. Don't expect overnight results. When you apply the skincare product, be consistent and be patient. Don't expect to see results instantly. Don't skip sunscreen. Don't apply too many active ingredients all at once. Yes. Don't assume stronger product works faster. Don't keep switching products every 2 weeks. Try this product, you not even wait for it to work. You are throwing it to get another one. Be consistent with your product. Consistency always beats intensity in skincare. Now, who should use niacinamide? Is niacinamide for everyone? Is it for every skin type? Let's get to know who should use niacinamide. Niacinamide is suitable for almost everyone, including people with oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, sensitive skin, acne-prone skin, mature skin, hyperpigmentation, enlarged looking pores, skin barrier damage. However, if you have extremely sensitive skin, it's always a good idea to do a patch test before using any new skincare products. That's to tell you, niacinamide is good for every skin type. It doesn't discriminate, but before you use it, test it, patch test, so that you know if it will be good for your skin or not. But overall, from all people's recommendation and people's review, niacinamide is good for all skin types. So, niacinamide has earned its reputation as one of the most versatile skincare ingredients available today. It won't transform your skin overnight, but with consistent use, it can help reduce excess oil, calm acne, fade dark spots, strengthen your skin barrier, improve hydration, reduce redness, soften the appearance of fine lines, brighten dull skin, and leave your complexion looking healthier overall. Remember, skincare is not a marathon, not a sprint. The best result comes from using the right ingredients consistently and protecting your skin with sunscreen every day. Remember, even if you are applying niacinamide every day without sunscreen, you are just wasting your time. Always use sunscreen. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more science-backed skincare tips. Now tell me in the comments, have you tried niacinamide before and what changes did you notice in your skin? Thank you for watching. Make sure you try niacinamide and tell me the results in the comments. See you in the next video. Bye.